Maximo, what's back there? What's back there, buddy? Molly, what do you got treed there? You scared him away, Molly. What do you got there? Boy, you attack anything, don't you? Max. Yo, Max. Take it easy. Take it easy. Come here, Molly. Molly. Let him alone. He's eating the pears I threw up there. It's okay, Maximo. You had your dinner. Come on, Molly. Come on. Now what are you after, Maximo? Boy, these dogs. They think they're in charge. I guess they are. Well, he likes those pears. Tree's full. They're dropping. It's okay, Molly. You slept all afternoon. They were probably there all afternoon. The babies. You're a good boy, Maxie. Turn this off.